All right, hey guys, I want to talk real quick about this chart that's in front of me. This is the Cambro and chocolate dipped waffle build to chart. Seem to be struggling with this chart. Some of you don't have a good understanding about how it should be used, so I want to clarify. So at closing, Sunday through Wednesday, and I'm going to stress at closing because at closing, this is what you should have. 3 strawberry, 0 blueberry, 0 raspberry, 2 cookie dough Cambros. All of those need to be in the reach-in refrigerator in the serving line, and then 2 yellow cake backups in the freezer, the walk-in freezer that is. Thursday through Saturday at closing, you need 6 strawberries, 1 blueberry, 1 raspberry, 2 cookie dough, and 2 yellow cake again in the freezer. These 4 up here need to be in the reach-in refrigerator in the serving line, and then the yellow cake is in the walk-in freezer. And then the same goes for waffles, and this is where we seem to be struggling the most. At closing, Sunday through Thursday, this is the number that you should have that correlates with the type of dipped waffle that it is. So, you know, at closing on Monday night, if you've only got 9 left when you lock the door, then you need to make 9 more chocolate dip bowls. That way it builds to 18. So it's sprinkle bowls on Monday. If you close and you only have 6 sprinkle bowls left, then you have to make 6 more sprinkle bowls to get to 12. Same goes for this column. It's just more because it's on the weekend. So these are the numbers that you should have at closing. So I want to be clear on that. If you don't understand what that means or how this chart works from this point forward, please text me. Please don't go by what somebody says. If they say, here, dip this amount, that should be enough for tonight. It might be, it might not be. Because what if you sell a bunch of waffle cones throughout your shift, sell more than normal? Then you don't have enough. So you still have to count your waffles at the end of the night. And you want to be preparing for closing. You don't want to have to dip 30 plus waffles at closing. You want to try and prepare in advance for your chocolate dips. And you got to have enough plain cones to dip as well. And in most cases, that's not the problem, but you still have to plan in advance to have enough plain in order to dip to the correct build tos. So please let me know if you have any questions regarding this chart going forward. If this doesn't clarify it for you, please let me know. So I will be happy to talk to you and explain it maybe in a little different way. But it's very, very important that these numbers be followed. The only time that these numbers will not get followed is unless you hear from me, because I adjust them maybe based on weather or rain. It'll generally be weather driven if I do change them, but I very, very rarely will change the counts. So anyways, if you have any questions, please let me know so I can help you out, and I appreciate it. Thank you guys.